Hello there, everyone. This is CG Fella here, and today we are going to learn a trick to create hand painted looking textures in Blender without actually hand painting anything. If you want to download this file, it will be available in my Gumroad page, link in the description below for free. So you can download it and follow along. So let's get into it. The first thing that you will have to do is create a shader. I already have a shader for it. It's just a basic principled BSDF, nothing fancy here. You have to create a gradient texture node and plug it to the color. Next, you will also have to attach a mapping and a texture coordinate. You can press Control T while select this gradient texture is selected to automatically get these two things. Connect the UV to the vector, and you see this doesn't look very good. So what you have to do is go to Edit mode and press U to get your UV mapping options, and press Project from View. Once you have that, scale it up like this, and you will realize that the gradient is not yet here because the Z rotation is off. So set it to -90 and you are good to go. You can add a color ramp to check if everything is all right or not. Yep, everything looks nice. The next thing you have to do is add the shadows, midtones, and light colors. To do that, we are going to just use 3 colors for this tutorial, but you can add as many as you want. For the darker tones, I will go with this color looks fine. The midtones, of course, the red woodish color. And for the light ones, what? A desaturated red should work. Orange color. This looks good. Yep. So this is our basic gradient. And now the texturing part starts. So first we will scale it down. So everything is kind of in the mid-tone. Everything that is everything that is dark goes in the negative y-axis. And everything that is light goes in the positive y-axis. That is all you have to remember. So this is the base part. So this should be dark. One thing, you have to check this UV sync selection to be able to do that. So let's put it somewhere here. These parts should be even darker because they are somewhere in the inside areas. A little more dark. Yeah. This looks about right. Same for here. And these parts are kind of protruding out, so we will make them a bit light, like so. And you just have to keep doing that. I guess this will work for now. So now you can also make changes to the color ramp to see if anything else looks better. So you can change the colors a bit. I think this looks fair. And yeah, I think this tree looks good. And there are other things you can do. So for example, you can just add instant moss to it. Or I don't know, snow. And yeah, there you go. We went from this to this.